In this tutorial, I cover the snowstorm effect within xLights, and that can be found here. If I drop it into place, you can see we get this type of effect. So if I cover the color palette, you can choose up to 2 colors, and it does support a color curve on one of the, one or two of the colors, in which case it will transition over time, and it can be used in conjunction with a static color or another color curve if you so wish. Only 3 options here. Maximum flakes will increase the intensity of the effect. Trail length will increase how long each trail is. So if I move it down to just 1, you'll be able to see. To increase that, we get a long trail or a really short one. And then the next option is the speed of the effect. And there you go. And it's as simple as that. So that one is the snowstorm effect.